Here we are at Sorenson Automotive. This is a little short video on how to remove an engine from a 2007 Toyota Camry. Yeah, it's not an easy job, but somebody's got to do it. So why don't we start going up with it here. I think we got everything disconnected. Just go around here and double check our harnesses. Check our coolant lines, our AC compressors out of the way. We just let it hang because we don't want to discharge the AC system. Do unnecessary repairs if we don't have to. Right. And there you have it. How to remove an engine from a 2007 Toyota Camry at Sorenson Automotive in Savage, Minnesota. We do complete automotive repair. You can give us a call anytime at 952-736-9200. Thanks for watching our video. We got the complete engine assembly and transmission, so the next step is going to be to separate these guys and on to the overhaul.